Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're working on a 2017 Chevy Cruze. We're going to do a quick front pad swap. Get your car jacked up, put some jack stands under it, and then we're going to go ahead and take the wheels off. Alright, once you have your wheel off, we're going to get these two 14mm caliper slide pin bolts out. Once you break them free, they'll probably just spin out by hand. Just like that. Pop the caliper off. Check your slide pins, make sure they're moving. I'm going to go ahead and use a big screwdriver to help me get this pad out. I'll pop this old hardware out. Hardware's really in there. Next, I'm going to take a wire brush. I'm just going to clean up where this hardware goes to make sure it sits nice and flat. This is a fairly new car, so there's not much on here. Just get what you can off. You want to make sure your hardware sits nice and flat. I want to make sure this inside piece pushes all the way in. Boom, perfect. Take our new pads. Alright, so these ones, they got a squeaker on one, not on the other. So the squeaker, you only have one. It's always going to go on the inside. That one needed a little tapping to go in. You don't want to force it in, but sometimes you just need a little bit of help. We're going to take our caliper compressor. Got that compressed. Now we're going to take some brake grease. I'm going to grease these slide pins up. Make sure the caliper can move correctly. Just lube it up. Slide it back in. Rotate it. Push it in and out. Make sure it's moving. Alright, these slide pins are specific. I'll pull the other one out so you can see it. This one is just solid metal. And then this one has a rubber bushing on the end. See that right there? So you want to make sure they go back into their correct spot. Flip your caliper over. Make sure that your hose isn't twisted up. Slide it back on. Take your slide pin bolts. Get them started. I like to tighten these in by finger as far as I can. Take your ratchet or a wrench, whatever you're using, and tighten them up. So you take a ratchet, your wrench, whatever, tighten these slide pin bolts up. Snug them up good, you don't need to overdo it. And the caliper's moving, good to go. All you gotta do now, throw your wheel back on, make sure you clean your hub and the back of your wheel. Torque your lug nuts, and before you drive it, pump your brake pedal about half pumps until you get good brake pedal pressure again before you try and move the car. Bad news if you don't pump the pedal first. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.